Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all the new daily tasks on the Grow a Garden guide. So if you go to daily quests here, there are new tasks for you, like new daily quests for you. As you can see, you'll need to plant 100 strawberry seeds, harvest 50 blueberries, and harvest 10 pumpkins. I think I can do this one. Let me try to harvest 10 pumpkins first. Let's do the one that's glimmering. Or, oops, that's a watermelon. There we go. And let's open the garden guide so it's complete. I don't know what I got from that. Oh, okay, I think you need to do everything and then you'll go up a level. I think it's a little bit harder now. It's not the easiest daily quest. It was super easy last time. We got to just get we'll get a prize easily, get rewards easily. Sorry, I don't know why I say prize a lot. Well, I'll need to harvest 50 blueberries and plant 100 strawberries, which I don't have seeds because I've been using them for fairy nuts. So I'm gonna have to stock up on these. So make sure you do that. Let me just stock up on some tulips as well. So yeah, that's the new daily quests for you guys. Obviously it changes every single day as usual. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!